In order to set up your location types in Warehance, go over to the left-hand side and go to Warehouses, and then Location Types. When you sign up for a Warehance account, you should have 3 default location types, which is going to be the overstock bin, picking bin, and the tote. And you can go ahead and delete these if you'd like by selecting them all and clicking bulk delete, or you can keep them. In order to create a new location type, go ahead and click More Actions and Create, and then enter a name. I'm going to enter bin 4x4x6, and I'm going to click Create Location Type. Now that location type has been created. The other way to do this is to click More Actions and do Import, and then you can download the template, but it's a very simple template, and I'll go ahead and show you this template right now. So this sheet just has one field, which is going to be name. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out a few options here, and we'll go ahead and import all of our location types at once. All right, so I have a few examples here. I have about 5 different location types I've created. So I'm going to go ahead and download this file as a CSV. And then if I go back to Warehance and I select that file I just downloaded and import it, then I go ahead and map up the column name to the Warehance property name and press confirm. Then this will import. And if I go back to warehouses and location types, all those location types I had in that sheet have been imported into Warehance.